Hey creators, have you been wondered how some YouTube channels go viral without ever showing a single face? How do they pump out tons of videos constantly and hit millions of views? Well, today I'm pulling back the curtain and revealing the secret AI technology that's powering these viral faceless channels behind the scenes. Whether you want to start your own faceless YouTube channel or just stay ahead of the AI curve, this video will show you everything you need to know. So hit that like button, subscribe, and let's dive into the AI revolution transforming YouTube content creation. First, let's break down what faceless channels really mean. These are channels that don't show the creator's face or personal identity. No on-camera host, no vlogs, just pure content. You have probably seen channels that use animations, AI voiceovers, text-to-speech, or video clips to tell stories, share facts, or entertain. Why are they so popular? Because they are easy to scale, less intimidating for creators, and often incredibly engaging for viewers. But creating tons of videos consistently without burning out used to be impossible until AI stepped in. So what AI is powering the wave of viral faceless channels? It's a powerful combination of several AI tools working together. AI writing tools like ChatGPT generate scripts fast and with amazing creativity. Text-to-speech (TTS) AI converts those scripts into natural sounding voiceovers, no human recording needed. AI video generators create visuals, animations, or edit clips based on the script automatically. The secret sauce is how these tools are combined smoothly, letting creators produce professional videos in hours instead of days. Let's zoom in on ChatGPT, arguably the heart of many faceless channels. With the right prompts, ChatGPT can write entire engaging video scripts, stories, educational content, listicles, you name it. I asked ChatGPT to write a script about top 5 mind-blowing AI tools. Within seconds, it gave me a detailed, engaging script ready to record or convert. No more writer's block, no more hours spent brainstorming, just fast, quality content tailored to your audience. Next up, the AI voiceover. Tools like Murf.ai, Lovo.ai, and Descripts overdub produce human-like voices that sound natural and expensive. Faceless channels use these to narrate videos without hiring voice actors or recording their own voice. Best part, you can customize the voice style, language, and tone, making it perfect for any niche, whether it's tech reviews, story time, or motivational content. This technology lets creators produce voiceovers quickly, consistently, and at scale. But what about the video itself? AI video tools like Pictory, Synthesia, and InVideo turns scripts and voiceovers into full videos with relevant visuals, animations, and subtitles, often automatically. Creators just upload their script or voiceover, pick a style, and these AI tools do the heavy lifting, adding clips, images, transitions, and effects. This reduces video production from days to start a few clicks, perfect for faceless channels pumping out content daily. This AI-driven model is changing YouTube forever. It lowers the barrier for new creators, boosts content output, and lets people focus on strategy instead of tedious production tasks. Faceless channels powered by AI are dominating niches from finance and tech to storytelling and education, all while staying anonymous and consistent. If you want to build a YouTube channel in 2025 or beyond, mastering these AI tools is a must. So now you know the AI secrets behind viral faceless YouTube channels. Want me to dive deeper into tutorials on these AI tools? Comment below which AI you want to master first. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. I have got tons more AI tips coming your way. Thanks for watching and get ready to launch your own faceless viral YouTube channel with AI power.